FAA approval will double Flytrex drone delivery range. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, on-demand drone delivery leader Flytrex announced that it has been granted approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to expand its current delivery radius from 1 to 2 nautical miles throughout all of its North Carolina and Texas-based operating stations. Alongside longtime partner Causey Aviation Unmanned, Flytrex will carry out deliveries of food, drinks and other goods to roughly 100,000 eligible customers qualified to opt into the service, as opposed to the previously eligible 40,000 customers. All flights will be conducted while maintaining the highest safety standards. The approval comes after a series of other notable milestones for Flytrex, such as its drone delivery service's recent expansion to Granbury, Texas. In addition to its operations in Texas, Flytrex has 3 operational stations in North Carolina, based out of Fayetteville, Rayford, and Holly Springs. The company conducts thousands of deliveries each month in collaboration with an increasing number of restaurant and retail chains. Drone delivery at scale is finally taking off, and this approval from the FAA positions us squarely at the forefront of that movement, said Flytrex CEO and co-founder Yariv Bash. This approval allows us to reach roughly 100,000 customers with our ultra-fast delivery, and we look forward to continuing this exciting flight path to one day bring 3-minute delivery to the tens of millions of backyards across the U.S. Each of the new locations will maintain the same ordering process for delivery. Customers ordering with Flytrex will be able to place a range of orders from local stores and restaurants via the Flytrex app, which sends customers updates on the status of their order up until the package is gently lowered by wire directly into their backyards. Since launching the world's first fully autonomous urban drone delivery system out of Iceland in 2017, Flytrex has been working alongside regulators to guarantee the highest standards of safety are met in launching drone delivery. The company participated in the FAA's UAS Integration Pilot Program, IPP, and after its conclusion in October 2020 continued to work with the FAA in its Beyond program, where it helped the North Carolina Department of Transportation to address the challenges facing the integration of UAS.